We're here, guys.
Where's Emma?
We're making some bracelets. Oh, we're making some bracelets. What day is this?
Day three.
Day 3, it's Friday. I forgot that.
Hi there. Day 3. Day birthday.
Woo! Day 3.
You ready?
Bertie.
Lexi, let go of my hair.
What's up, guys? It's Dylan Ren. We're handling day 4 like bosses. Check out the tan lines on this bitch.
It's also Lexi.
Look at these superhero pictures. 1, 2. That's upside down.
It's upside down.
That's upside down.
Mixing
About to go mountain biking. Little bit terrified. I can't even regular people bike. You got dirt on your shoulder. Get it.
Ooh, there's a lot of dirt. I think those are just crumbs.
Those are crumbs. It's because I'm eating in the bed.
Okay.
I got a little bit of red. I never get red.
Anything you'd like to say?
I'd like to say that I got sunburned.
It's day 4.
Got our food. Yeah. You wanna say hi?
I'm from Minnesota. I like popping pegs.
What's up, dudes? How many dance parties have we had yet? It's been about 4. I got my tank top on and my shorts on because when I sweat, it's gonna be a party.
Another vlog. I'm back. And I just had a panic attack. Also, I got a spoon. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing that looks like you. Ride with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Why are you doing? Ride with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you.
Yeah, go.
Are smaller.
What? So videotaping me right now?
Yeah.
Hi.
It's to the side.
Oh, hi.
Wait. Hey guys. Day 5 here. It's day 5. I lost my voice. Now it's going now.
It's your boy. It's Timberwolf Lake. You know, it's Matthew, the sexiest kid they met at camp. I might be 5'4", but I'm a whole hunk of meat. You know what I'm screaming? Hi, that's Parker. And
Day 5 of camp. We're about to go go-karting.
It's day 5. Matt.
Tired.
Wait, our tongues are.
Okay, you Matthew.
Do it again. So are you wanting to be in the last vlog?
Oh my god.
I think I should be vlogging that.
It's the last vlog. Sad panda.
Let's do camp. Red.
Guys.
She's vlogging right now.
Stop! I hate you!
It's just on me, dude. Turn off. Day 6 out here. We're going home.
all right, so Marley came up to me like about 10 seconds ago, and I punched her in the arm, and she said,
I'm weak.
I'm weak. I'm weak.